Do you know that your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lets you choose what MAC address your hotspot uses? And do you know when we should choose randomized MAC or phone MAC? Today I will show you what this option mean and when we actually need to change them. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon, type connection, type mobile hotspot and tethering, type mobile hotspot, type your network name, and then go to advanced, tap MAC address type. Here you can see two choices. The first one is randomized MAC. This makes the phone use a temporary random address. It helps protect our privacy and is the default option. The second one is phone MAC. This uses the real permanent MAC address of the phone. We only need this when a device or a network requires a fixed MAC address. As the example, you can choose phone MAC if you want to share your hotspot with a school or office laptop, and that laptop only accepts a hotspot with one fixed MAC address. Finally, tap save. And that's how we change the MAC address type on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Use randomized MAC for privacy or switch to phone MAC when the network requires it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.